Welcome back. This is Module 4, Part B. I want to pick up where we left off here. Just want to let you know we just created everything, and we put in a gray rectangle on this, and then we're gonna move this in front. I backed up about a few seconds here with it, so we're gonna go ahead and change this to a cool gray color, and then we're gonna actually. Let's do that. I like that gray color with it. So let's actually do another color here. Let's detach that, and we're gonna actually go. Let's do that, and we're gonna make that a white, and let's make that down to 10 with it. That still isn't working for me with it for some reason. I don't like that. Some things that still doesn't work for me. It doesn't grab me very well. Let me grab another shade here. A couple of routes here with it. Let's go ahead and try this. Let's try this color. It looks a little bit more subtle here with it. I'm going to go use the opacity with this. Yeah, about 35%. And we're going to use something in the middle. Well, let's go about here. We'll go about here, 2, 5, 4, 5, 6. Be as a color. It's a background color. So let's stroke this profile image, and let's add a stroke here with it. I'm going to use white for now. Let's go ahead and make this a real thick, and I think white should be okay on this thing. So let's now do the text looking like a little bit smaller, and we're gonna let the background make it a little white, and we'll give it some more hierarchy, and let's make it about 19 points. Bold, yeah, I like that. And go ahead, bold, and looking now looks like this with it. So all right, next thing we need to do here is to add a functional to add a photo with this as well. So we won't prototype it up with it, and we'll add a button. So we have a little camera icon. So let's grab the edit icon, and then we will go over to the design tool on the artboard with it, and go back over there and look at the artboard. Let's grab the circle, and we'll press the keyboard on here to do shift, and then we actually do is also shift and hold down the option key. We will actually leave a click. When you click on it, you can actually hold shift and the left to the right with it as well. So I'm holding down the shift so I can center it, and clicking on, I'm going to make it grab this camera over here with it icon, and let's go ahead and move this to an icon with it. I'm going to go to the right and click on it and bring it to the front. I'm going to downsize it a little bit, holding down my shift, and you can hold down this, and little small things make it, which is good. You want to keep this perspective of the illustrator of the camera. All right, place that right in the center. I am kind of dropping it a little bit, so let's add a stroke, and add a darker stroke and a 3-pixel stroke on this. Give this separation an image. That looks good. I like that. So now that I can tap on the camera, get my picture or select a photo from my photo collection here, I'm going to so I can press the edit icon. Let's go ahead and make that an action color here with it, and let's go ahead and hold order here, left align it, and I'm going to make it right 100% opacity here with it. So I'm going to let's word edit this thing. So let's put an icon and move it down. Okay, so that would allow me to go into edit this information here. All right, the next thing we need to do is go to the order page here, and let's copy this profile page, and we're going to actually go to the left here with it, and let's make this text right here. So we had a profile that was 19. And this text here, I believe it says 19 bold, and we make it white. So it's white 100% opacity with it. So let's make this profile here with 19 points regular, light, or light, and make it about 50% opacity. Let's switch it to the rectangle over and to order, and then we'll we'll just delete all the profiles still. That's what we did with it, even the background and the background with it. So at this point, we would want to have some detail what we order. So let's grab one of the photos, the milk tea photos here, and then we're going to grab the information. We're going to scroll over to this artboard over here, grab this information, and go over grab this photo first. And we're going to actually paste this photo in the order for now with it. That's just good. I'm going to downsize this a little bit and grab the order information here. Copy this. Okay. And let's go ahead and paste the underneath of the order here. All right. So let's take we'll call one milk tea here. Line that to the center. Let's call that, we can make that one milk tea here. Let's take this information, let's say milk, semi-sweet, medium ice, large tapioca, and let's just change that to the quantity. And then we center that. And let's center the underneath the regular milk tea text here. I'm going to make it with the width of the artboard, and I know exactly, and it has left alignment. So let's go ahead, let's go to the text area, make it center paragraph alignment. It looks good. Okay, so and then we are going to do, here is what we're going to crop the circle here, and this this image is so kind of I select this image over here with it. So if you're going to make it top here as with it, you know, your width and height attributes here, the corner of the radius field here, go ahead and press the shift up button, and you can do that punch in line with it as well. So you can also add in about 100. You should be fine with it. So let's just make the width of it 190 by 190 with it, and let's go ahead and blow this image a little bit with it as well. So let's grab this image and hold on your shift and blow up this image with it, blow up like that. And I'm going to actually downsize it a little bit by holding down when I downsize with it. So I just hold on the shift, hold shift, downsize. I'll go ahead and throw it over here, move it a little bit down here with it. All right. And we're going to actually have a line we put somewhere. Here on the checkout page, we had the line. So let's go select the line, just copy it, and go back to the board, and we're going to actually going down to the couple of the places where we're actually going to. So I'm going to give it some space here. We're going to actually put below the order tab with this as well. Okay, so it's approaching 9 minutes here with this as well. So let me pause this for a second. So this is a good point to stop the part B of Module 4.